Connect the power cord to the power socket of the instrument. Plug the aviation connector of the foot pedal into the matching port on the tester. Connect the compressed air pipe to the air inlet of the instrument. Set the air pressure to 0.4 megapascal. Turn on the power switch of the instrument to enter the test interface. Tap Settings on the interface, where Chinese and English language switching is available. Set the heat sealing dwell time. Set the sealing temperature. Adjust the sealing pressure according to film material requirements. Tap Temperature Control on the test interface. Two test modes are available, Auto and Manual. Select Auto, and the upper heat jaw will press down cyclically for the preset duration. Select Manual mode for single-stroke sealing per trigger. The foot pedal can also be used to trigger sealing tests. Place the sample between upper and lower sealing jaws once the target temperature is reached. Step on the foot pedal to initiate sealing. Complete the test and inspect the heat sealing effect. Excessively high temperature will cause the film sample to stick to the sealing jaws. Turn off temperature control if sticking occurs. Attach heat-resistant adhesive tape to both upper and lower jaws. Proceed with temperature calibration. Set dwell time to 30 seconds and input required target temperature. Place a calibrated temperature gauge between the two jaws after temperature stabilization. Wait for the gauge reading to stabilize, tap Calibrate, and enter password 1918. Input the stable temperature value shown on the gauge as the actual measured value, then tap Calibrate to finish.